Hey guys, this is Paul from SEOrocket.dev. I'm so excited to show you the new tool that they created that streamlines Google Ads keyword management or just streamlines the match type formatting for search terms optimization. Now, if you're a Google Ads pro, then you know just how much of a pain it is to actually go through the search terms report and identify which ones are going to be losers or winners. Now, usually, how we do it is we just go through manual keywords. We identify, okay, let's say I want to exclude Athens Plumbing, which is a competitor, for example. I'd want to save that, add it in the notes, and modify it to appear as a phrase match or as an exact match, depending on what I need it to be. Now, that's a real pain to do, and especially if you have a lot of different search terms that you actually need to go over to. Now, I made a basic Chrome extension that just streamlines that process. So let's say I wanna exclude Athens Plumber, and I'm gonna do that as a phrase match. So I'm gonna do is just highlight this exact term, and it will highlight every mentions of Athens, or well, it looks like it's actually a location, but I'm just giving an example. So that certain highlighted keyword will now appear into the Rocket Match Chrome extension as long as you have this enabled, and automatically modify that as a list of keywords that I can immediately copy and paste to my negative keyword list, or maybe include that in my ad groups or anything specific that I need it to do. So there are some other terms. Let's say I wanna exclude this gas leak term, or actually let me just remove that. So I can remove that here in the text, and I can go back here. Oh, you need to make sure you format that so that it doesn't show up here. So I can, let's say, just who mentions, um, maybe I want to exclude, let's say I want to just focus on um, a specific service. Maybe I don't want to do 24-hour plumbing. Maybe I want to exclude any mentions of work so that I'm actually not going to appear for people that are just looking for jobs. Um, and I can look for other maybe emergency terms here. I'm not going to be doing emergency repairs, for example, or some other keywords that I could reference here. Now, every time that I highlight anything in the search terms report, this will show up automatically in the Rocket Match Chrome extension, where I could immediately modify. Okay, I wanna, let's say I wanna keep this keyword. I don't wanna do an exact a negative keyword for that. And just modify anything here in the input box. And if I have everything finalized, all I need to do is just do a final formatting. If I just want phrase matches, then I'm just gonna format the keywords again, and it's all gonna output phrase match keywords. Now, once I'm finished going over my search terms report, I could immediately copy all and paste that anywhere I need it to be. Let's say I don't want to do plumbing. I just want to do, yeah, I don't want to do plumbing. Let's say I'm gonna do everything and pivot to fence installation for some reason. I could immediately just highlight plumbers, and that will show plumbers for everything in the page, and it just saves the time whenever you're going over the search terms report, and you don't have to think about, okay, I need to go over this each search terms here because I'm uh, I've missed a spot that I need to double check. Everything is highlighted automatically, so you don't repeat yourself when you're reviewing search terms. So it's just a basic free Chrome extension that just streamlines a lot of that process and saves a lot of the headache when actually going to the search terms table. So hope this Chrome extension is really helpful. If you've liked what you've seen, follow us at SEOrocket.dev. We're gonna be pushing a lot of different free software and useful tools for marketers in general. So I'm really excited to bring more of those to you guys.